Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must act from the account that enabled console sharing. Sign in now. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Other, and open console sharing and offline play. Make sure your controller is connected and stable. You do not need a full download, but a basic connection prevents sync errors. This is the only way to change the console sharing state for that account, so stay on the correct profile and follow the on-screen buttons to reach the toggle. Once you see the console sharing and offline play screen, read the current status carefully and select Disable. Confirm the prompt that asks to deactivate the Ps4 as the primary or to turn off console sharing. You need to accept the confirmation to complete it. Make sure you do not power down or interrupt the Ps4 while it processes the change, because that can leave the account in a partial state. After confirmation, the console will reflect the new setting and prevent other. You finish by signing out, signing back in, and revisiting the console sharing screen to verify it shows disabled. If the Ps4 will not deactivate locally, use account management on the web to perform a one-time deactivate all for that Sony account. This is the fallback. Make sure to wait. PlayStation Network can take up to 24 hours to propagate the change across systems. If things still look wrong, power cycle the console and router, then check again. That often clears lingering status caches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.